This is a quick and easy way to get cat eye hearts using this metal tool. The placement of this tool on your magnet really matters. It's important that your leg is pointing away from your main magnet and that it's not sitting like this. You want it to sit like this because when you go to shape your heart, you want the main magnet to be sitting below your nail. You can also bend the leg to change the angle. 90 degrees works best for me, but feel free to experiment. Let's get started. First, apply a layer of cat eye to your nail. Take your magnet and scrub one side of your nail until the clear line of light appears. Then spread the particles using the long end of your cylinder. Now take your heart tool. Make sure to place it the right way. Bring it close and hold it still for a few seconds. You're gonna get a crystal clear heart. And when you're satisfied with the result, cure it immediately because the particles will start dissipating right away. That is how you get a beautiful cat eye heart. Hope this helps. Save it and try.